Welcome to another exciting week here on the Farmer Nick YouTube channel. Been getting a lot of questions at the markets, how the bees are doing. So this week, let's go check out the bees. I am adding a couple supers to the bodies today, and I'll show you what they are and where they go, why they're called supers, and we'll go slap them on and call it a day. Alright, these are my supers. I just painted them. Here's the foundation. These are the frames that fit inside. This is a frame. This is foundation. This is where the bees build their hives, the honeycomb coming out, and then they fill it with the the honey, and then they cap it with wax. These fit inside here. Like that. And then we fill that all up. That one. And then we put this, actually goes underneath. This is called a queen extruder. So the queen can't get through the slats here. She's bigger than all of the other bees. The other bees can get through there and they'll fill this thing up with honey, but the queen can't. And the reason you do that is that way she can't lay her eggs inside this piece here. This is also called a hive body. When this is on top of that, it's called a super. When it's underneath it, it's called a hive body. The hive body is where the queen lays the eggs that develop into worker bees and drones, etc. The super is where a human being splits the hive with an extruder, and that way the workers can just lay honey there. And it simply means that it's easier to collect the honey, because when it comes collection time, it won't be full of larvae that you have to filter out. It's not a big deal to do it, but yeah, when you filter the honey out and it's full of larvae and whatnot, it's a real pain. So it's just a cleaner way to get honey. So we'll finish letting that paint dry, and then we'll go slap them in. So it looks like they're doing pretty well. Alright, I got my fancy suit on back here in the orchard where the hives are. And honestly, if I was just going to throw the supers on, I wouldn't have put on the suit, because really not planning to spend a lot of time on that. Just going to pop the tops off and put the supers on. So it's a pretty simple job. And if you're doing it fast enough, probably don't need this, just a pair of gloves on and bing bang boom, you're out of there. But I was going to grab some videos so you guys could take a look inside, and that means I'm probably going to spend more than the 30 seconds it's going to take to do this job. So yeah, I put this on just as a case, in case. Let's get to work. Alright, so they have made a lot of progress since they first were in here. See all the honeycomb they've done. Oh, there we go. That's a pretty good sign. So we'll get a top on here and let them go at it. So I'm going to take this off, I'm going to pop this on, and I'm going to put one of the supers on, then I'm going to put the top back on, and we'll be all done. Alright, that's it. I'm going to do the other one, and we're done. That's it. Easy peasy. Okay. So that's pretty much all it took. Honestly, if I wasn't planning to play around with the video camera and whatnot, I would have just thrown those lids, taken the tops off, thrown the lids on, and probably not put on the bee suit. And even now, I mean, I literally just finished, and they're not pissed off or anything. I didn't mess around with them. So, like I said, bees are pretty laid back. As long as you don't go poking them with a stick, you're not going to piss them off. So that's it. We'll let the colony continue to grow, and hopefully by this fall, if my donkey doesn't shut up, hopefully by this fall we'll have some honey to harvest. So you guys take care. If you share this video on your Facebook page, we'll give you 50 cents off a package of burgers, pork or beef, your choice. Just put shared in the comment or your name or something like that, and that'll be good through July 13th. So you guys take care, and I will see you at the farmers market. Bye.